Cancer treatment research in Odisha has reached an important milestone. Researchers at Sambalpur University have developed a polyherbal anti-cancer formulation using medicinal plants collected from the Gandamardhan hills. The research was carried out by the Department of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics along with the Research Center of Excellence. The project began in 2019 when scientists studied nearly 50 medicinal plant species based on the knowledge of traditional Ayurvedic practitioners. After years of research, the team shortlisted 5 medicinal plants and developed a unique herbal formulation. During animal trials, researchers induced tumors in laboratory mice by injecting cancer cells. The mice were then treated with the herbal formulation for about 35 days. According to the researchers, the treatment completely eliminated the tumors. They also observed that unlike conventional chemotherapy, the herbal formulation did not produce any noticeable side effects during the animal studies.
मूसा और एनिमल भितर आम ह्यूमन भितर 99.8% सिमिलर अच्छी जीनोटा बायोलॉजिकली सिमिलर और एनिमल रिजल्ट भल आसला पर डेफिनेटली आम ताकू आम एबे बहुत जल्दी आम ताकू आम जो फॉर्मुलेशन ताकू आम देबू सीसीआरएस हॉस्पिटल को जो भुवनेश्वर जोटा अछि तांको तो एमओ साइन हो जाइछि ता से माने ताकू एनिमल पेशेंटटा करिवे कैंसर पेशेंट को देबे जे काम करिवो देन डेफिनेटली एटा माने बहुत बढ़िया न्यूज़ टे आम मानको पई टू ट्रीट फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कैंसर पेशेंट्स.
The next step is human clinical trials. These are expected to be conducted in collaboration with the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences or CCRAS under the Ministry of Ayush and AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Researchers have stressed that the formulation's safety and effectiveness can only be confirmed after successful human clinical trials. The study was conducted in Sambalpur University's advanced laboratories using modern scientific equipment. Cancer cell samples used in the experiments were obtained from the National Center for Cell Science in Pune. The research team believes that the herbal formulation has the potential to selectively target cancer cells without harming healthy tissues, unlike conventional treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy. However, this claim will also need to be validated through clinical trials. If the upcoming human trials are successful, this herbal formulation could become a promising new option for cancer treatment and offer fresh hope to patients around the world.